Feeling stressed, overworked, or like your brain just won't shut off? We live in a culture that celebrates hustle, grinding, and staying busy every second of the day. If you're not working, you're lazy. If you're not producing, you're falling behind. But here's the truth. Science says the opposite. Rest is productive. Taking breaks, slowing down, and even doing nothing at all can actually make you smarter, sharper, and more creative. Today, I'll show you why rest isn't wasted time. It's your brain's secret weapon. And by the end, you'll have practical ways to add more rest into your life without guilt. First, let's talk about hustle culture. We're told that constant work is the only path to success. But research shows that pushing your brain non-stop leads to mental fatigue, decision overload, and eventually, burnout. Think about the last time you tried to work for hours without a break. Did your focus sharpen? Or did your productivity actually drop? That's because your brain, like your muscles, has limits. And without rest, it simply can't perform at its best. So what happens in the brain when you rest? When you stop focusing on tasks and let your mind wander, something amazing happens. The default mode network, or DMN, lights up. This network is active when you're daydreaming, reflecting, or simply sitting quietly. It's in this state that your brain connects ideas, solves problems in the background, and stores memories more effectively. In other words, doing nothing is when your brain is actually doing some of its most important work. Rest isn't just for your mind, it's for your body too. When you take breaks, your parasympathetic nervous system activates. That's your body's rest and digest mode. Cortisol, the stress hormone, goes down. Heart rate slows. Blood pressure drops. If you've ever felt your shoulders drop after sitting outside or lying down for a few minutes, that's your nervous system resetting. Rest literally helps your body repair itself. Ever notice how your best ideas come in the shower, on a walk, or when you're lying in bed? That's no coincidence. Psychologists call it the incubation effect. When you step away from focused work and give your brain downtime, it continues processing in the background. That's when breakthroughs happen. In fact, some of the most famous inventions and artistic works came during periods of rest, not grind. Now let's make this practical. How can you add rest into your daily routine without feeling lazy? 1. Micro breaks. Every hour, take 2 to 5 minutes to stretch, breathe, or step away from your desk. Small resets add up. 2. The 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It reduces eye strain and clears mental fog. 3. Naps. A 20-minute nap can restore alertness and performance, without the grogginess of longer naps. 4. Screen-free time. Choose 1 hour a day where you're offline, maybe first thing in the morning or before bed. 5. Unstructured time. Let yourself daydream, doodle, or sit in silence. These moments activate your brain's creativity engine. Here's the big picture. Rest isn't a luxury, it's a strategy. It's what separates people who burn out from those who build sustainable success. The most effective leaders, creators, and thinkers all know this. Taking time off sharpens your performance when it matters most. So the next time you feel guilty for resting, remember, you're not wasting time. You're investing in your brain, your body, and your future. Rest is productive. It lowers stress, boosts creativity, and recharges your brain for what's next. So try adding one rest reset today. A micro break, a walk, or just 10 minutes of silence. Your mind will thank you. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs permission to slow down. And for quick daily resets, check out my shorts playlist right here.
This is Living My Better Life, where every day we find small ways to feel better, live better, and think better.